Hello, this video is in response to Lauren Mormino's video about printing 3D templates. Everything that she did in her video was accurate. I'm just going to show you a quicker way to get your pattern piece prepared. I only use Photoshop, and I've been using Photoshop for close to 20 years. So I can't show you how to do this on any other program, and I also do not own any 3D printing software or machines, so I will not be showing you any of that either. Hopefully you'll still be able to follow along. So once you open up your PDF pattern in Photoshop, you're just going to remove the background. We're going to use the wand, select, and delete. If there's any pieces on your pattern, which, by the way, this is a fake mock-up pattern, as if you can't tell, any other pieces that you want to delete, you can select them and delete them as you need to. Then you hit Control-U, and you're just going to drop the lightness all the way down to black, basically removing everything that was in there, any font, backgrounds, or anything like that. Double-click on the pattern. This will bring up the layer style. Right here on the front, it's going to say Fill Opacity. Just drag that down to 0, which will remove everything from your layer. Then you go down to Stroke, and you can choose the color if you really want to, but it's probably best to leave it at black. Make sure the position is inside so that anything you do will stay on the inside of the pattern piece. Then you can use size to scale it up or down depending on how thin or thick you want the pieces to be. Select OK and you are done. Now, depending on the 3D software, they may need you to have sort of a flattened image, or at least not have any kind of appliers or layer styles attached to it. So you can just right-click and hit Rasterize Layer Style. This will apply everything that you've done to it. And there you go. Your PDF pattern is back to its original format. It's one flat layer, and you can go ahead and export it into your 3D program and do your thing. Hopefully this was helpful.